What's up, everybody? This is daysuncivil, and I just wanted to talk to you because I got a question from an individual about my standalone setup. Of course, I have the Maschine Plus as a standalone device, but the other benefit of having the Maschine Plus is my Maschine Studio went down. The screens don't work, so this Maschine Plus also serves as my MK3. So that's the benefit of having the Maschine Plus. I also have the trusty, handy-dandy MPC Live 2. I really love that. But that's not what this is about. What this is about is someone asked me about this. They said, why do you have this set up to your standalone environment? Well, one thing about me is I like to play keys. I'm not the best piano player, but I like to play keys. And sometimes, there's no movement unless you have a run, or there's no movement unless you put a chord on it or something like that. So even though I may have a beat that grooves, sometimes I want there to be a chord pattern, or I may want there to be a run, and that run will give it a little bit of difference, a variation. Then sometimes I just take it from here and I put it in the regular, the big, it's not a DAW, but the Maschine software. So I'll put it in the Maschine software and just get some extra, I can add extra to it. Since this doesn't have the bass, the Scarby bass, it doesn't have all the VSTs that you want. So since it doesn't have all the VSTs, it's kind of limited, but you can make some nice beats on it. You can do some good things on it. And then I take it to my handy dandy trusty keyboard. And then after that, I just start grooving. But that's the part, so I have the software, and I have this as well. Oh, so someone asked another question, and they said, can you get the software with the with the Maschine Plus? And no, I didn't get software with the Maschine Plus. I basically had Maschine software as well, and I was thinking about, I've had an extra copy of the Maschine software for a long time. So I'm thinking I'm gonna offer that up as a gift for all the people that have been, we'll do a raffle or something like that, a drawing, and then we'll see who can get it, and then I'll ship it out to you. Now, this is to thank everybody that took me from 500 subscribers all the way up to where I'm at now. So it's we're getting there. We're trying to get 1,000 before the year is out, and that's just not the only goal. I want to keep giving y'all good content. But that's the main purpose of me using the LaunchKey Mini keyboard, the Novation LaunchKey. I've had it for a long time. I really got it because it works well with Ableton. And I was going to meet Ski Beats. And so I got this, and I got my new laptop. That was 3 years ago. It was, what is that laptop? That laptop is it's one of the gaming laptops. It's a big gaming laptop. But that's kind of what I use it for. This is the LaunchKey Mini. This is the MK3. And I just use it to add extra chords and extra beats and things like that. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. And maybe I'll go through the studio one day and I'll show you everything I have, even down to the video cameras and things that I use and things I'm trying to get, used to. Let me tell you this. I don't think I'm the best at anything. I try my hardest. I'm kind of doing like Sean Cannell says from Think Media. He said, just press record. So that's what I'm doing. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if I got any more tips or anything for you, it's coming out. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Oh, I forgot the beat. Y'all heard this one before. I'm not going to play it too loud. The wifey sleep upstairs. That's all I can give you. I'm not getting in trouble.